If you have a small number of domains that you want to add into the domain dashboard, then the easiest way to do that is with the Add Domain button, and that's on the Manage Domains page. We click Add Domain, we go to a form, and at this point you'll see the form is quite long, but really what we're interested in and what you're interested in is the top piece of the data that's on display here, and that is the domain name, the owner, where you registered the domain, when the domain expires, when it was first registered, tags and notes. The database will track the rest of the information if you fill it out, but at the moment it won't do anything with that, and that's all I'm going to say for now. So let's add a domain. We need first the domain name, and I'm going to use one of Simon's domains, World's Best Mobile Phones.com. Notice I don't put www on there, or anything else for that matter, because the domain name is World's Best Mobile Phones. That's all we need to put in there. The owner is Simon, and Simon's company name, SciPi. This domain was registered with GoDaddy, and it expires on, notice the date format, it's a year, and that's 2010 12/07. That's the 7th of December 2010, and it was registered in 2009 December 7, so it was registered for a year. And tags, well, we have mobile phones. Now these tags are your tags for your information. They could say anything you want. So for example, I'm going to put demo in my tag so that I know that this is a demo record. I could also put Simon in there because it's one of Simon's domains. The database isn't going to use that information for anything other than to help you find this record again. So put in there whatever you want. And again, the notes field, this is a demo domain. It belongs to Simon. I'm not sure if the registration dates are correct. Okay. So, as I say, that top information is what's most important and is what will be displayed in the grid. Another handy thing you can add that will get displayed in the grid is if it is hosted and when that hosting expires. That's quite a useful thing to be able to track. Let's say that this domain is hosted. Let's say we've got it hosted at HostGator, and let's say that the hosting expires the same time that the domain expires, 2010 12/07. Handy to have a reminder of that information. So that's all the information that I'm going to fill out in here, because as I say, while the database tracks it, right now it's not going to do anything else with it. Okay, and as I say, that's all I'm saying now. When you fill that data out, scroll down to the bottom of the form and click Save. You'll see we're now managing one domain, and we have a summary of the data that we've put in: the domain name, the owner, the registrar, domain expiry, the tags we've given it, the host, and the hosting expiry. And that's how easy it is to add a domain into the domain dashboard.